This is a PowerWorks podcast short with Glenn Power and me, James Piecowye.
I've been noticing a lot of people, there's more speed humps going up all over the place.
Yeah.
And I'm still noticing a lot of people who are testing the suspension of their vehicles. I don't think people realize the damage you can cause by going over these speed humps excessively fast.
No. I mean, I think we all have. We've all hit a speed bump that we didn't necessarily know was there, or we'd look down because something had happened and we've hit it. But there's people that seem to actually take it as like a challenge, see how fast they can go.
I was in the passenger seat of the red Jeep, the Wrangler, and my wife was driving. It was like I was like in a roller coaster. I was also with fear as we're driving at one point, and she's going and she's accelerating, and I'm looking, and I see the speed hump coming. I said. I had to point it out after there's a speed hump coming, and I think we got air going off this thing, and it was like, oh my, wow.
Yeah.
And as the car came down, I sort of went, oh, I think I got to go see Glenn now about the dampers. I'm pretty sure my dampers need to be replaced.
One of the problems with the dampers is like they're doing a job. They obviously have a job to do, but they have a range of motion.
Yeah. Dampers might also be known as shocks.
Yeah.
To others.
So the range of motion is not necessarily that they can't go as far as they need to go, but they haven't been going that far. So as the piston effectively, what it is, it slides into the body of the damper. Every time it goes in and out, it's so well sealed that it effectively cleans it. So it leaves a bit of a. It does wear. It does wear.
Yeah.
And we're talking
it's
about
got rubber. It's got oil.
Yeah,
in
we're
it.
talking about fractions of millimeters, but we're still talking differences.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden,
fully extends.
you go full extension, full compression.
Yeah.
That is what damages them. Then they start to leak.
Yeah.
And you might not notice it straight away, but 6, 7, 8 months later, you have a problem with one that you wouldn't have had a problem with. Like I say, we've all hit them by accident, but there are people that just don't care.